So we'll be starting discussing the exercises of bones and muscles. First, I'll give you a question and 4 options along with it, and you have to answer. Silently, you can raise your hand so that I can give you the chance to answer. Okay. So now the first question is, bones are composed of, there are 4 options. One is calcium, another one is phosphate, C is both of these, that means A and B, and the last is none of these. So I can see Ariman. Yes, Ariman?
Ma'am, both of these.
Yes, the correct answer is both of these. That is, it is made up of calcium and phosphate. Correct answer. After each answer, you have to put your camera on mute so that there will be no disturbance. Okay. Now, next question is, the part of human skeleton that protects our brain is, and your options are, A is rib cage, B spine, C is skull, and D is limbs. Yes, Ritika? Ritika?
Ma'am,
Yes? What is the answer? Which option?
ma'am is skull.
Yes, that's correct. It is skull. Okay, now next question. C. Dash muscles have bands and branched. Dash muscles have bent and branched. The options are skeletal, B is involuntary, C is cardiac, 4 is smooth muscles. Yes, Simran?
Ma'am, cardiac.
Cardiac muscle. Simran is also traveling somewhere. Okay, but it's good. You are taking class. Traveling somewhere outside? Weekend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's good that you are attending your
No,
class.
ma'am.
Okay, that you're not missing your class. That's very nice. Next question is, the joint which is present in hips and shoulders. Yesterday we discussed in the last video about the joints also. So the joints are ball and socket joint, B is pivot joint, C is hinge joint, and gliding joint. So what is the correct answer? Vaishnavi, you can answer.
And ball and socket joint.
Yeah, that's true. It's a ball and socket joint, means you can rotate your hips and shoulders in all directions. Like shoulders, you can rotate at the angle of 360 degree in all direction. That you can do in your body also. Now, next part is E part. The muscles found only in heart. Which are the muscles which are found only in heart? The options are the striped muscles, smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, and the cardiac muscles. You can raise your hands. Ansh? Yes, Ansh? What are those muscles called?
Cardiac muscles.
Yeah, that's very good. We call the muscles of heart as cardiac muscles. Good answer. Now we'll be proceeding to fill in the blanks. First is, dash are produced in the bone marrow. Dash are produced in the bone marrow. Who will tell me what things are produced? Shagun? Shagun Pehlawat?
Ma'am, new blood cells.
Yes, that's correct. Blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, which is inside our bone. Next question, B part. Dash is the organ of the body that is protected by the skull. Which organ is protected by the skull? Tanvi, you can answer.
Ma'am, brain.
Yes, this is correct. It's brain. Brain is the organ of the body which is protected by the skull. Good answer. C part is, dash is the only part of the skull that can move. Which is the only part which can move? we have already discussed in our videos and we have seen also. So Lavish can answer. Yes, Lavish?
Ma'am, I have forgotten the name of this part. Can move.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. So I'll ask to Vishal. Yes, Vishal?
Jaw.
Yeah, it's lower jaw. That is the lower jaw. And this is the upper jaw where teeth of the upper side. And only lower jaw, with the help of this, we can move it. We can speak, smile and keep on talking as we used to do always. So it is because of that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Just imagine if it is fixed, what will happen of you? आपका क्या होता? फिर आप बातें ही नहीं कर पाते. फिर तो आपके stomach pain शुरू हो जाता. Because if you are not able to share your talks, your gossips with your friends, then you feel like aching in your stomach. Thank God it is working and it is movable. Okay, now the D part is the dash bone is the longest bone in our body. Which is the longest bone? I have shown you the bone also. Which is the longest bone? Aryan. Aryan, you tell me which is the longest bone. Sorry? Come again. Bache, I'm not able to hear clearly. Once again.
Spongy bone.
No, I want the name of the bone. What is the name for that bone? Anyone else? Joy?
Ma'am, femur.
Yeah, that's femur. It is the longest and the strongest bone on which whole of our body weight is there. And the lower half of the bones of leg are also is okay. But maximum weight is supported by the femur. That is the thigh bone also. We call it as thigh bone. Okay, now E part is there are dash pair of ribs in our body. There are dash pairs. How many pairs are there? Who will tell me? That means you all have understood the lesson very well. All of you are raising hand. I'm very happy to see. Now I'll ask to Kamlaksh. Yes, Kamlaksh, how many pair of bones?
12.
12 pair of bones. Okay. With this, one of my question is always attached. What are the floating ribs? Which bones are the floating ribs? Ariman? Which are the floating ribs?
Last two pairs of ribs in the rib cage is called the floating rib.
Yeah, last two pairs which are not attached to the sternum or the breastbone are called the floating ribs. That's true. Next is F part of the fill in the blanks. That is the dash are the strong tissues which hold the bones together. Yesterday I told you the difference of two things. One which hold the muscles and one which hold the tissues and bones. So the dash are the strong tissues which hold the bones together. Question goes to Nehal. Yes, Nehal.
Ligament.
Come again.
Ligament.
Yeah, that's correct. It's ligament. Actually, maybe because of network, I'm not able to hear properly. Next is G part. The knee has dash type of joint. The knee has a dash type of joint. Who will answer? Which have not given till now. Let me check the second screen. Yes, Vansh Agrawal. Vansh Agrawal. The knee has dash type of joint.
Ma'am, hinge.
Yes, it has a hinge type of joint. The same hinge which is located in the doors of our house. I have shown you yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now H is bones are connected to the muscles. Now the next part is bones are connected to the muscles. Before that we studied that two bones hold together. That was ligament. Now when they are attached with the muscles, what do we call them? What thing helps them to hold? What are those things? Vaishnavi, I have asked once. Who can tell? Who is left? Aryan, you want to answer? Bones. Aryan, bones are connected to the muscles with dash. Yesterday I told you two things were there. One was when bones to bones are attached, and the other one when bones are attached to the muscles. So which is that part? You have to go through it again. You can see the video again. Who will answer? Daksh Saxena. Daksh Saxena. Bones are connected
Ma'am, tissue.
with
Ma'am, tissue.
not tissue. Some other word is there. Nitya, you can answer. Bones are connected.
Ma'am, biceps and triceps.
Those are the things actually which are we call when they are attached. That is the particular thing. Who else will answer? Yes. Who is there? Joy.
Ma'am, tendons.
Yes, that is correct. It is tendons. Yesterday also I told you when bone to bone is connected, it is connected with the fleshy elastic tissue, that is ligament. And when it is attached to the muscle, when a bone is attached to the muscle, that is with the help of tendon. So there are two things. Now, eye part, the three type of muscles are, what are the three type of muscles? Nidhi Agrawal? What are the
Ma'am, skeletal muscle,
Okay.
skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle.
Yes, correct answer. Skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Now, next is J part, that is the last of fill in the blanks. The heart muscles are also called dash muscles. The heart muscles, that is a very easy question. So I think everybody knows. So I will ask to Abhishek. Abhishek is busy in writing. Let me ask him. The heart muscles are also called dash muscles, Abhishek. What are those muscles called? What are those muscles called? Keep on smiling. Priyansh? Priyansh, you will give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyansh Chaudhary? Disappeared somewhere. I can see. Navya?
Cardiac.
Yes, that is the heart muscles are also called cardiac muscles. Okay. Now the next question is, I will tell you a part, one statement I'll tell you that is incorrect. You have to correct the statement. Okay. That is your question number 3. You have to correct the statement that is incorrect. So the first statement is, the backbone consists of one long bone. That is not true. So what is the true statement for it? The backbone consists of one long bone. So what is the correct statement for it? Yes, Araman.
Backbone is consist of 33 small bones.
Yes, it consists of 33 small bones. So that is the correct answer. It is not a one single bone. If it is single, then we are not able to bend. Just because of those small 33 bones, we are able to bend our body to some extent. Okay. Now, next question, next statement is vertebral column protects the brain. That is not true. Vertebral column protects the brain. Who will correct me? This is not the true statement. Who will correct the statement? Vertebral column protects the brain. I will ask Netik. Netik. Netik.
Yes, ma'am.
The question is, you were sleeping that time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the question is, I'll tell you one statement that is not correct. You have to correct the statement. The statement is, vertebral column protects the brain. Is it true?
What, ma'am?
Vertebral column protects the brain. Is it true?
No, ma'am.
So tell me, what does it protect? What is the work of vertebral column?
No, vertical column.
Vertebral column. It's vertebral column. What does it protect?
Ma'am, vertical column. Vertical column. Yes, ma'am. True. Ma'am, I am thinking that way.
That is not true. I'm telling you, it is not a true statement. You have to correct the statement. Yes, Sakshi?
Ma'am, the skull are hard covering that protects our brain.
No, I'm asking about the vertebral column. Vertebral column protects.
Ma'am,
Huh. Yes, you can try. Okay, read once again.
ma'am,
Now, one Shakwan. Vansh Agrawal.
Ma'am, vertebral column protects the spine.
Yes, it protects the spinal cord. Not spine. Vertebral column is known as spine only. It protects the spinal cord. Okay.
Yes,
Next part is
yes.
the spinal cord forms a hard covering which protects our brain. Is it true? Spinal cord forms a hard covering which protects our brain. This is not a correct statement. Correct one, you have to tell me. What is the correct statement? Yes, Nehal?
Ma'am, the skull forms a hard covering which protects our brain.
Yes, that's true. Spinal cord doesn't makes a hard covering. So that is the function of skull. It protects a hard covering which protects our brain. And I told you about the skull. It has all the bones fixed. Like the 22 bones, like 8 plus 14, which are in the face and the skull, in the head region, they all are fixed. Only the lower jaw is movable. So they are so hard and fixed, they cannot move of their own, and they protect the brain. Next is D part. All joints in the body allow movement. Is it true? All joints in the body allow movement. All the joints allow movement. Kamlaksh?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the correct statement for this? All the joints in the body allow movement. Yeah? So, who else will answer? Joy?
All joints, bones, and muscles in the body allow movement.
No, actually the question is all joints in the body allow movement. So the question is revolving around the joint. So only the joints we'll talk about. We'll not interfere the muscles. I'm asking, is it possible like all the joints are movable? The question is all the joints are movable. No, all are not movable. So that you have to mention which are not movable. Like which joints do not allow movement. The joints in the skull. Okay. So we will write skull bones, skull joints are not movable except the lower jaw. So they are all fixed. So we will talk about only the joints. Next is, yes. Yes. Next question is hinge joint, that is E part. Hinge joint allows movement in all directions. Hinge joint allows movement in all directions. That is a wrong statement. Now you have to correct it. What is the correct statement for this? Abhi 5 minutes mein dungi. Sakshi is done. Yes, Nitya?
Ma'am, hinge joint allow us to move only in one direction.
Not one, we can say. We have to say like we can, hinge joint can move back and forth. Okay? A little bit back and little bit forth you can move. Side to side, not maximum. Not in all directions. You can write back and forth movement can be given by hinge joint. F is muscles pull or push bones to make them move. Muscles pull or push to make the bones move. Do they pull or push? No. Only one activity they do. What is that?
Muscles push or pull bones to make them move.
Muscles pull or push bones to make them move. Okay, Joy.
Ma'am, limbs pull or push bones to make them move.
Yeah, limbs is there. That can be one answer. Limbs pull and push to make them move. Limbs is okay. And if you are talking about only muscles, then they pull. We have, you can go through the video again. It was like they can pull. They are not able to push the muscles. So they can pull only. If we are writing in case of muscles, so muscles can only pull to make them move. They cannot push the bones. That you can see through the video. Now, the last exercise, and that is also correct, that limbs pull or push the bones to make them move. So we can use limbs also. Name the following. You have to give one word. The organ protected by vertebral column. Which is the organ protected by vertebral column? Navya? Which is the organ protected? Yeah, it is spinal cord, correct. B part, strong elastic tissue which makes the nose flexible. Strong elastic tissue which makes your nose flexible. The tip of your nose don't have any bone. What is that tissue known as? What is that tissue known as? One, yes, who will answer? Those who have not tried once. Okay. Ritika?
Yes, ma'am.
What do we call that?
Ma'am, cartilage.
Yes, that is cartilage. Correct answer. Next is the type of joint found in the shoulder. The type of joint found in the shoulder. Which is that joint? Esther? Esther, which is the joint of shoulders?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, you can go through it again. Maybe you have not attended the class or something. Dhruv Kumar, you can tell me. Dhruv Kumar, Dhruv Kumar,
then the hinge joint.
in the
Ma'am,
shoulder.
hinge joint.
No, hinge joint is
Ma'am?
not. No, bache. No, it is not in the shoulder. No. Try once again. Simran,
Ma'am, ball and socket joint.
yes, that is ball and socket joint. That is correct answer. Next is D part. Part of the body where immovable joints are found. Part of the body where immovable joints. Just now we have discussed about it. Where the joints are immovable means they are not moving at all. Which is that part of your body? Vaishnavi is raising such a high hand. You tell me.
ma'am, bones of skull.
Yes, correct. Bones of skull.
And
Yeah, it's okay. E part, that is the you can say last exercise. The muscles which we can move of our own will. What are those muscles which we can move of our own? What do we call those muscles? What do we call those muscles which we can move of our own? Who is left? Who have not tried? Okay. Aryaman, you answer.
Ma'am,
ball and
Your voice is not audible.
volunteers.
Yes, those are voluntary muscles. So all these exercises we have discussed were related to bones and muscles. And now